Hello guys, welcome to the new lecture. In this lecture we are going to work on the different events. As you can see that we have worked on the click event of the jQuery in the previous lecture, but now I'm going to work on the mouse over event. So mouse over is also an event of a jQuery. So when any user will mouse over this button, right, then what I need to do is this, sorry for that, and this image dot height, and this should be 2000, like that. So when any user will mouse over this button, then this image will disappear. So I'm going to refresh the page. When I will mouse over the button, then you guys will notice that this image will disappear. So as you can see that the image has been disappeared now. So this can be possible by using the mouse over or hover event, right? So as you can see that the image has been now disappeared. So guys, in this class we have worked on the two events, mouse over and hover, and we can be able to use it, or if I want to use any other by like h2, this should be in the double quotations, and I'm going to hello world. So when I will save the file, and when I will refresh the page, and when I will mouse over on this button, then you guys will notice that this hello world will appear over after in the after the image. So why it is not sorry for that, because we have dot box, it should be dot box. So when I will refresh the page, as you guys have noticed that the hello world has appeared over here. Why it is 2 times? Because whenever I will hover over on this button, this hello world will appear over here. So guys, this is how we use our mouse over and hover event in the jQuery. So in the next classes we are going to learn something more. So stay tuned, have a nice day.